light on the dashboard, and when you press accelerator and when the speed goes over 30, it is vibrates. I can feel the car is vibrating at the moment as well, and it says cylinder 1. So I had taken the 2 screw out, and here are 4 clips. So once it's undone, you have access for the ignition coil. So now we have access for the coil. Take the connector out by pulling this up, out, and to take this coil out, just do like this and it will come out. So it's out. There is a spark plug there, so I'm going to take that thing out. Take the spark plug out. So what I'm going to use is 14 mm to take that thing out. It goes like this. So the new spark plug has been fitted, so I'm going to put the new ignition coil. Yeah, so it's done. Cable connected. So I'm going to do for all of those. So on the odometer it was just showing 1 coil, misfiring. But like I'm doing it, so I'm just going to change it all. These 2 changed. This is the 3rd one. So this is shorter in size. I'll drop it like this, and then unscrew. So on this video I'll show you how to take the spark plug. My socket is a bit shorter in length, so I'll show you how to take it out, even if you don't have a right length socket. So that socket and spark plug came all the way out, so I'm going to use my long nose pliers to take this thing out, and then same thing with the spark plug. Here you go. So this is out. So I'm going to put the new one in. New. Same thing. Socket. This is tight, so I can't use the long nose pliers now. So what I'm going to use the magnet from my torchlight. It's out. So this is how I did the spark plug. So the new coil, push it in, clip it, lock it. Done. So OBD reader is connected. I'm going to start the car and reset the code. Then I'm going for the test drive, and see that vibration is still exist. Oh, so the light is there. So I'm going to clear that code. Okay, so that thing is gone. So I'm going to drive this car just for a few minutes and let's see what happens.